It's time to take your kitchen into the 21st century. Featuring 11 original presets, the Cosori Smart Air Fryer cooks meals faster than an oven and with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Want to unlock your fryer's full potential? Download the VSync app to connect your smart fryer to your smartphone. With VSync, you can browse 100 online recipes personally created by our Cosori chefs. Something catch your eye? Automatically input settings by selecting the recipe you want, or remotely make adjustments. Schedule cook times hours in advance so you can coordinate every part of the meal while leaving room for a little relaxation. Monitor the progress of your cooking through the app or take a closer look. Save your favorite discoveries for future use and make tweaks to old family recipes. You can even save pictures of the final result. Forgot what it was you made last? Check your cooking history to refresh your memory. Before you're done with one meal, you'll be planning your next. So go ahead, start planning today.
The sizzle of the grill, now in your air fryer. GoWise USA is proud to present the pinnacle of air frying, the ultimate air fryer oven and grill. Dual heating elements cut your cooking time and heat your food from all sides. The stainless steel exterior looks amazing in any kitchen, and of course, rapid air frying technology to help you cut on calories without sacrificing any of the crunch. It has 11 built-in programs to help you cook everything from French fries to fruit chips. Bake or broil, make pizza or pollock. And yes, even grill, using our all-new grill plate accessory. Imagine the perfect steak without ever setting foot outside. How about some roasted veggies as a side dish? Use additional accessories to take your cooking to the next level. Its built-in rotisserie function allows you to cook kebabs, roasts, or even a whole chicken. The Ultimate was engineered with your convenience in mind, with an interior large enough to cook for a family of 4 or more, but compact enough to sit on your countertop or tuck away into a cabinet. It comes with 2 recipe books. One helps you master the dehydrate function to make dried fruits, jerky, veggies, and herb blends. The other has recipes for, well, just about anything you can think of. The GoWise USA Ultimate Air Fryer Oven and Grill has the versatility to make your cooking dreams come true. What will you make?
French fries, wings, onion rings, fried chicken. We love great tasting fried food, but who wants all the added fat and calories? Now you can have all the fried food you love without the oil, mess, and fat with the New Wave Brio Digital Air Fryer. Now make crispy air-fried French fries in just 8 minutes, crunchy onion rings in 10 minutes, and juicy homemade air-fried chicken in only 25 minutes. All with up to 70% less fat and calories.
It's wonderful. You don't get all that grease and you get the good taste anyway.
It is fun to fry again, and the Brio does it healthier and faster than anything else out there that we've ever used.
But healthy, delicious air-fried food is just the beginning. With a cooking range of 100 to 400 degrees, the new way Brio can also grill, bake, broil, sear, and even dehydrate. All while cooking up to 50% faster and using less energy than a regular oven. And when the Brio is done, it shuts off automatically, so your food doesn't burn. The energy-efficient yet powerful New Way Brio features an all-metal basket and chamber and uses 1,800 watts of cooking power to create super cyclonic hot air. Our patented airflow design circulates hot air all around your food, from the top, bottom, and the sides, cooking evenly for perfect results. The new and improved Brio also features our next-generation digital thermostat control. Other ovens and air fryers cycle on and off while cooking, changing as much as 40 degrees, which dries food out and cooks unevenly. The Brio's DTC technology regulates the cooking temperature hundreds of times a second and keeps the temperature consistent throughout the cooking process. The result? Crispier and juicier food every time. Guaranteed. The Brio also features 6 easy one-touch cooking presets for your favorite foods, so you really can just touch and go. The Brio's space-saving design makes it perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, and RVs. And since it's dishwasher safe, cleanup is fast and easy.
I have a deep fryer. It's a complete mess. You know what I mean? With this thing, the cleanup is just so easy.
With a family of 5, it's incredibly easy and quick. Bye-bye, microwave. Hello, Brio.